In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request reviews with Judge.me using emails, push notifications, and SMS. By effectively requesting reviews, you can enhance your store's credibility and encourage more customer engagement. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and search for Shopify. Once you're on the Shopify website, go ahead and log into your account. Logging in will direct you to your Shopify dashboard, where you have access to all your store's settings and integrations. By default, Judge.me automatically sends review requests for newly fulfilled orders. This feature ensures you stay connected with your customers, reminding them to share their experiences. However, you might want more control over who receives these requests and when. To customize your review requests, navigate to the Judge.me dashboard. From there, head over to Settings and select Request Scheduling. Here, you can enable or disable requests for domestic, international, or point-of-sale orders. You can also adjust the timing by setting the number of days after fulfillment before the request is sent. This flexibility allows you to tailor the request timing to best suit your business needs. Next, if you wish to personalize the emails your customers receive, navigate to Settings and click on Email Templates. Here, you can edit the subject, content, and sender information for your email requests. A personalized touch in emails can significantly increase the likelihood of your customers completing a review. For those of you who are looking to send review requests for past orders, click on Settings and then Request Reviews. You can schedule requests for previous orders by choosing a start date for orders to be included. This is an excellent way to engage customers who might have missed the initial review request. If push notifications are more your style, integrating Judge.me with a push notification service like PushOwl is simple. Go to Settings, then Integrations in your Judge.me admin and set up the integration. Once done, head over to Settings, then Request Reviews, and finally, push notifications to create templates for your review request pushes and media reminder pushes. Keep in mind, push notifications will only work if customers have enabled them in their web browsers. Now, if SMS reviews are what you prefer, you can easily integrate Judge.me with SMS services like SMS Bump or ConvertWay. Again, navigate to Settings and then Integrations. Once integrated, you can manage your SMS settings by going to Settings, Request Reviews, and then SMS Requests. Here, you can set the SMS sender name and schedule the timing for sending out those requests. Finally, it's important to remember that similar to email requests, SMS requests are sent automatically after orders are fulfilled. By configuring your schedule thoughtfully, you can reach out to your customers promptly, increasing your chances of receiving valuable reviews. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to requesting reviews with Judge.me using emails, push notifications, and SMS. With these tools at your fingertips, you'll be well on your way to gathering valuable feedback and enhancing your online store's reputation. Thanks for tuning in, and happy reviewing.